What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Doge right now. We're gonna be going over some technicals, and we're also gonna be going over some other stuff in the broader crypto market. So yeah, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight to this video, though. So the first thing that you want to look at here with Baby Doge is the fact that we're slowly but surely trending back down to the 2.9 area before our next rise inside of Baby Doge. So these red areas are pretty much less demand resistance areas. Every time we hit these green areas here, it's pretty much more demand areas where we have support. So right now we just have to go down here to our support. You can see here on the oscillator, there is a lot of selling volume, but it's actually getting smaller. You can see how it's getting smaller, and eventually it's going to go on the upside into buying pressure. And that will pretty much be achieved once we get over here to this area of 2.9, pretty much the 2.940 support. Once we get over there, we'll probably end up seeing some rise inside of the price in Baby Doge, as well as the volume. We'll see some more stuff coming in soon for Baby Doge. Now, this will probably lead us to try to pump back above this again. Remember, we did get rejected all the way up here when we actually got to the 3270 support our resistance. We started to pretty much pull back as soon as we got there. So next time we should be able to pump past 3.2 after we get done with that. So that's probably what we could see coming up very soon here in Baby Doge. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, though. That's really going to tell us exactly what we're going to get here in long term. Now, I wanted to show something here with Baby Doge. Let me take off these indicators very briefly. So just look at the movements here with Baby Doge. If you watched my videos from yesterday, you would know exactly what I'm about to say here. These are two bull flags here. This is a bull flag. This is a bull flag. What comes after the bull flags is a pump. Look, we go up, we go up, we go up, we pump, and then we come back down to pretty much this bull flag. And then we go up, we go up, we go up, and then we come and we pump right back down. And then again, up, 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 and up. From there, like literally, we're going to be able to break our all-time high. But when we break it, it's probably only going to be all the way up to about 7.5, 7.0, maybe even 8.0. Then we'll probably do another pullback before we just break out again and knock out another zero. And then we'll be at 7Z1, which is 7 zeros at the end of the decimal and a 1. So that's probably what we're going to see here coming up next for Baby Doge. This is literally a textbook pattern here for technical analysis. So we definitely know something big is going to be coming up for Baby Doge here very soon. We just got to do this last pullback. I don't know if this is going to be the last or if we're going to do another one all the way down to this area here, because remember, the green areas show support of more demand. And you can even see over here, we have another green area. So what we could possibly do is pull back to this area and then stop here, stopping at 2.8 and then pumping above 3.2 and then pretty much pumping from there. Or we could continue to pull back all the way until about here, which is about our 2.5 area, which we don't really want to see 2.5 right now because, a lot of people will start losing faith inside Baby Doge. But that is when the big whales start to buy more. So it'd be a good thing if Baby Doge pulled back to 2.5 or 2.4, because then the big whales like the ones over here would start buying way more Baby Doge just because they see the opportunity presenting itself. Even this Baby Doge coin whale sees the opportunity. They already have $3.1 million in Baby Doge. They do not sell Baby Doge. All they do is buy. All they do is buy Baby Doge today. So over here, you can see they bought 11 trillion Baby Doge today as $34,000. That's a lot of money over here. Yeah, we got a 2.9 trillion sale, which really isn't significant. But look at this 14.6 trillion sale or purchase here. This pretty much outweighs that little tiny 2.9 trillion sale. Literally $45,000 purchased here with Baby Doge. This was from the billionaire. And we talk about this billionaire every single day. They literally have $1 billion in crypto, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So $1 billion in Binance Smart Chain coins. We don't even know what their wallet has for Ethereum coins. Like, they probably have multiple billions. So this is definitely crazy that Binance pegged Bitcoin is 483 million for this wallet. And then you got over here Baby Doge, $1.7 million. Still a significant amount of money. It's literally their 6th largest holding inside of this. Actually, no, it's their 7th largest holding inside of this whale's wallet, which is actually pretty significant considering a billionaire has Baby Doge as their 7th largest holding crypto. Now, yeah, you are seeing a little bit of sales here, but sales are not outweighing all this right here. All this purchasing of $45,000 is not being weighed down by all those sales. But anyways, moving on from this, we got to talk about a little bit more stuff. Like I said, we're gonna be talking about the broader crypto market as well. Crypto is getting more interesting, no longer decentralized in this person's opinion and in everyone's opinion. This is starting to get really bad. Now, Coinbase is now doing this. They are starting April 4th introducing something to Canadian investors. So they said over here, Canadian regulations will be doing this specifically when you send crypto. So look right here. It says when you send crypto to another financial entity or money service business, such as another cryptocurrency exchange, and the exchange is 1,000 Canadian dollars or more, we are legally required to ask you for information about the recipient of the transaction, their name and their address, literally. So they're literally taking the centralized PayPal approach here. Literally, you can no longer send money to anywhere inside crypto without the government of Canada knowing. And other governments are going to take heed to this, and they're probably going to do the same thing, including America. They're probably going to do this. Now, this is why you want to have your money on a wallet. This is why you want to have your money on, a hardware wallet or a software wallet, but you don't want it on an exchange. Like your money's good on Trust Wallet because remember, you don't gotta make an account with Trust Wallet, and you just pretty much use it straight up like that. It's not a centralized exchange; it's DeFi, and the same thing with MetaMask. Same thing with your Ledger. So if you're using Ledger Live, maybe the Ledger Live will be a little bit different. But if you're just using your Ledger Nano X or S, you don't have to put in your information like this, and that's why I hold all of my crypto. Literally, I do not hold crypto on centralized exchanges. What I do on centralized exchanges, I go to those exchanges and I trade crypto. And then when I'm done trading, like done doing little day trades, I'll send it off to the wallet, let it chill there. But I do not hold money on crypto. I don't send money to people on crypto. I'll send it to a DeFi wallet and then I'll send it to whoever I need to send it to. But I will not send it on a centralized exchange just because those rules and regulations, they're going to start cracking down on that type of stuff. So you want to get used to using these DeFi apps, these DeFi exchanges. So I just wanted to mention that because this is pretty significant and it's definitely something that's going to hinder crypto. But moving forward, we gotta do some analysis looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a really telltale sign of where overall cryptos are going to be going next. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin here. And remember, whenever I do these baby Doge technical analysis, they're not 100%, like nothing's 100%, but most of the time we do get some, 100%, not 100%, but let's just say 99% accuracy with this because I'm not a guru or anything, but when it comes to baby Doge, I do tend to watch the charts and I do tend to, I don't want to say I tend to always be correct, but most of the time when you're looking at indicators like this, the indicators are typically correct and I'm going off the indicators. But anyways, as you can see here, we did start to pump out of this very briefly. I put this little consolidation period inside of Bitcoin for, I forgot when I did this technical analysis, but yeah, we did start to pump out of this consolidation period here. I predicted that around this area here, we would probably end up pulling back here. And we started to pump out very briefly right around this area here. But I do believe that Bitcoin is about to now pull back into this consolidation period and probably trade sideways between 38K and 42K until the end. And then we'll probably have another breakout from there. So that's pretty much what I'm predicting here for Bitcoin. And it's looking like it's about to do exactly that. Unless we just start the breakout from here because we were consolidating. But hey, if we can break out of this consolidation earlier, then I really have no problem with that. So if we just end up breaking out of this consolidation right here, then cool. If not, then also cool. So we'll see what happens there. Even if we pull back, though, it's still good because we're still projected to continue to rise from here. But let's bring back on these indicators. So once we do pump, look, we'll probably end up stopping right here. So the next area for Bitcoin to stop is pretty much around $55,000. That's the next area for us to stop, the next major area. And then after that, it'll be around $61,000. And this matters for Baby Doge because everything really follows Bitcoin. Now, I know when altcoin season comes around, altcoins are just going to they're going to outpace Bitcoin. But for right now, we got to look at Bitcoin. But yeah, over here, you can also see that we have our oscillator. I like to show the oscillator because the oscillator is pretty accurate when it shows buying and selling. I just now closed it for some reason. So now I'm gonna have to bring it back in. But yeah, let's go ahead and control Z. That I want to bring back the oscillator. All right, there it is. All right, so you can see over here that the volume is turning bearish. Even though you see up here, we are starting to get some green around this area. You can see there's green starting to form there. But we are still kind of bearish right here. Whenever you see on the oscillator this bear movement, that means that the buying volume is becoming lower and lower, and the selling is starting to pick up from there. So when that happens, we go on the downside here. So you're about to see this whole reversal here into the bearish area. So that's why I drew this and shown that we'd probably end up going down to 40K trading between this area here before we have that next breakout. So that's why we're probably going to have this pullback here with Bitcoin. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to show what we have coming up next for Baby Doge and what exactly is happening in the overall crypto market, because things are just going crazy right now, especially with these regulations. And I hear they're doing a lot of regulations in India as well. So yeah, there's a lot of bad stuff going on for crypto. So maybe this just destroys altcoin season, but I hope it doesn't. I hope altcoin season still happens, and I hope it happens big, because we're all really dependent on this, because we all want that big money coming out of this altcoin season. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, big shout out to MEXC Global. We are now sponsored by them, so definitely check out MEXC Global. They have the lowest trading fees out there. So if you want to do some trading on crypto, you can sign up with the link in the description and use the discount for 10% off. Just click that link and you'll get that discount code for 10% off MEXC Global for your trading fees. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.